We'll guide you through how to use Heian Trello effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Heian Trello website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface designed to help you manage your projects with ease. To get started, you need to create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button, usually located on the top left corner of your screen. Enter a name for your board, choose a background color or image that fits your style, and then click Create Board to get things rolling. Now, you're on your new board. Look to the left to see the option to add a new list. Lists are like columns to categorize your tasks, such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed. Click Add a List, type in the name, and press Enter. You can create as many lists as needed to organize your workflow. Next, add cards to your lists. Cards are individual tasks or items that you need to track. Click Add a Card under any list, type a task name, and hit Enter. You can then click on the card to add more details such as descriptions, due dates, and attachments. To enhance collaboration, invite team members to your board by clicking on Invite at the top of the board. Enter their email addresses and assign them to specific cards or lists to keep everyone on the same page. You can also use labels to categorize your cards by color-coding them, making it easy to spot priorities at a glance. Don't forget to make use of Trello's power-ups, which are integrations with other tools like Slack or Google Calendar, to extend the functionality of your board. Power-ups can be activated from the menu on the right side of your board by selecting Power-ups and then choosing the ones that best suit your needs. Regularly update your cards and lists to reflect the most current information and keep your board a dynamic representation of your project's progress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.